Hello everyone, my name is Petro, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the HSS metal drill bit set from Parkside. I bought this specific one from Lidl. I paid $7.99, but you can buy it from online retailers such as eBay or Amazon if they have stock of this specific product. So as usual, what I'm going to be doing is show you the outer box and then of course the product itself. On an older video I showed you the similar product, which was the wooden masonry set. So in case you want to compare them, they have the exact same box, but I'll get into it a little bit later. So I'll show you the box itself around. Again, it's exactly the same box like the masonry and wood set from Parkside. The only difference would be the parts inside that are going to be used for on metal compared to wood. So if I zoom in, so this is the information on the front. I believe the technical information here, this would be the most important part. And this one has 19 pieces compared to 18 that the wood set has. Some other information at the bottom, what it's made from, and I believe on the side there's no information, but there is definitely on the back. So if I show you the back. Again, both cases are made from metal. So again, the way to open it is you can see from here, push this towards your side, opens as simple as that, and this is the parts that come with it with inside. So it goes from a small number on the right towards a big number on the left. Again, this one is a little bit fancy. They have this type of rainbow color. So if I were to take one of them. So this is what they look like. And you get 19 pieces. So if I were to open the wooden masonry and have them side by side, the box is exactly the same. The difference is the contents and the use. The left is for wooden masonry, the right is for metal. This one has 18 pieces, this has 19 pieces. Both are made from a metal box. Both of them you can hang them in case you want to. So in case you want to see the difference, so if I take these ones, this is what they look like. And then also, if I were to put this on the back and close this on the side, just for your information, you won't be able to use the metal bits for the cordless screwdriver. Again, they are not made for this one. By case you wonder, just in case you wonder, but you should be able to use it for the normal small cordless drill tool from Parkside. Again, if I push the red one towards my side, we'll take out that one part, and just to make sure that this one won't fit in there, so it's not for that purpose. But if I were to put the first bit back, you should be able to use it for this one as normal, and it is made perfectly for it. So if I were to just rotate this one anti-clockwise so I can make the space, this one should be able to fit in there. And again, the way to lock this in place is you would hold the black part, turn this anti-clockwise, it would lock it in place, and then you would use it as normal. So from what you can see here, so these are perfect for a drill. Again, so if I were to get it out anti-clockwise or clockwise, hold your hand here, it will open it, and you should be able to get it out. So it's as simple as that. Again, they are perfect for the power drill tool, but they can't be used for the cordless screwdriver, just in case you wonder. Again, you have the wood one, you have the metal one, both $7.99 from Lidl. They come in a nice box. I feel they are of good quality, and this is what you are getting. As simple as that. So in case you want to see the boxes again, just bring that back. The box is exactly the same, no difference except the use for them. So if I will zoom in, there you are. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Until next time, stay safe and take care.